Welcome. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to change your last name on LinkedIn using your PC, especially after the recent updates. Whether you're getting married, divorced, or simply want to update your profile, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you aren't already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This icon usually has your profile picture or initials. After clicking on the Me icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your LinkedIn profile. Next, you'll want to find the Account Preferences section. Click on it to expand the options available. Here, look for Profile Information and click on it. You should see an option that says Name, Location, and Industry. Click on this option to proceed. Now you're in the section where you can change your name. Under Last Name, you'll see a text box where you can enter your new last name. Take a moment to type in the correct spelling as you want it displayed on your profile. Once you've made the changes, don't forget to hit the Save button at the bottom of the page. This is crucial as it ensures that all your updates are recorded and reflected on your profile. And there you have it. Your last name has been successfully updated on LinkedIn. Remember that these changes might take a moment to appear across the platform, but soon enough, everyone in your network will see your updated name. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating LinkedIn and enhancing your professional presence online.